Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are taking a look at number 5 Spices Field. Now, this property is a large one to say the least, and there is a little surprise that we'll take a look at the end of the video. But we'll start by going through the front entrance here, and you're going to get a lovely sense of exactly what's on offer here with the space that you've got, and also with the finish here and that lovely modern interior that you have throughout. So we'll start by taking a quick look in this front reception area here. And this room's brilliant. You can use it either as an at-home study, or you could perhaps use it as a second sitting room or as a little dining area. It's completely up to you. Perhaps even a music room. The options here really are quite limitless, and of course that goes for the rest of the property. So coming back across this hallway, you can see there you've got that lovely big storage unit there as well. We're going to come and take a look at this little reception space here, which is led just off of the lounge area, and of course you can see through those lovely big windows at the front. This is a really wonderful space. You've got plenty of light coming through, and it's just wonderful. I mean, looking through just where you can see the lounge there, it's a wonderful space. We've come back round through the main entrance hall, taking a look at that downstairs cloakroom, and we're now in the lounge area. Now you'll see you've got that lovely wood burning stove there and the fireplace, making this a really nice and cosy space in the winter months. And you've got those lovely French doors that you can open up in the summertime to get all of that natural light flooding straight through. It's a really lovely lounge this, and when we go outside and take a look at the back garden, you'll see why it's just a lovely opportunity here at this property. So coming through the back now and into the kitchen, you'll see it's a nice, clean and modern space. Of course, you've got all the fitted appliances in here as you'd expect, but what's really nice is you've got that access point there into the conservatory, and there's possibly the option here, if you wanted to further down the line, of opening this space up into that conservatory extension at the rear. So here we are in the utility room, and of course you see you've got that door there leading out to the side access, and you start to see the back of that building there, which we'll go and take a look at later on in the tour. But as we're looking at this room here, you can see you've got all of the plumbing here for your appliances in this utility room, and coming back through into the kitchen, you can see it's a really nice modern space. So this is the conservatory extension, but it's more than that really. It's a lovely family space. You can easily organise this space as a dining area when you've got all the friends and family over. Get those doors open, get the barbecue food in. It'll be a really lovely space to enjoy in the summertime. So now that we're in the back garden, you can see it's a really big space. It's a very, very deceiving space looking at it from the front. And you can see here in front of us, you've got this little patch of land here. Now, you've got the fence panels leading out to the front of the property, and you could possibly open that fencing up there, put a gate in and create a bit more off-road parking here. I mean, there's plenty of off-road parking here as it is, but if you wanted a bit more, or perhaps some secure parking for something larger, this would be the perfect space for it. So whilst we saunter around the garden and take it all in, we'll run through a few key points on this property. Of course, Spices Field is one of only a handful of executive homes located within this exclusive cul-de-sac in Herne. So location wise, of course, you're really quite semi-rural here. You've got some lovely countryside walks on your doorstep, and you've got some really, really nice spaces to go and explore as well. So of course this garden is organised really, really nicely. You've got this lovely dining and patio area here, and you've got of course the vegetable patch over on the other side. You can really use this garden all year round, and in the summertime you'll certainly be chasing that sun all around this garden. It's a lovely space, and even from the rear you can see that that property's got that really nice characterful look to it. Now that we're upstairs, it gives us a good chance to take a look at the 5 bedrooms that come with this property. Of course, you've got 5 bedrooms on the first level, 2 of which are en-suited, and we've got that family bathroom as well. So of course we've got the first of the 5 bedrooms here, really lovely size, certainly a double, and of course we're taking a look now at the family bathroom, which again is that really nice, clean and contemporary finish in here. You've got that lovely big bath unit there as well, and you can see how nice and open this landing space is. So coming through here to bedroom number 2, you can see you've got those lovely windows which you can swing open in the summertime and let all that lovely fresh air in. Of course they're overlooking the rear garden there, and of course you can see just how big this room is. It's certainly a double size, and what's really nice about this room is of course you've got the fitted wardrobe space, and you've also got that nice ensuite there as well. Here we are now in bedroom number 5. Now, of course, you've got the study downstairs, but this could easily be used as a second study if you wanted to. But at the moment, it serves its purpose really, really well as a nice size single bedroom. So coming back out onto this lovely big landing space, you're going to see another 2 bedrooms. We've got bedroom number 3 here at the back, which again overlooks that lovely rear garden. Here we are in the master bedroom, and you can just see there you've got a really nice sized dressing room here as well as the ensuite. So here we are in the dressing room. Of course, you've got the lovely window there letting all the natural light in, and you've got that nice little seating area here. It's a really practical space that's been made, and of course there's plenty of storage space here as well. Now this bedroom is a really nice size. You've got space there for the double bed, and this ensuite bathroom is a really nice size as well. You've got that nice big shower unit there as well, and it's finished again to that really nice modern standard. So finally we find ourselves coming out to what used to be a garage, and it's currently now being used as an annex. So this space is fantastic. You've got the independent kitchen area here and the lounge that we'll go and take a look at in a few moments, but this space is absolutely fantastic. It's very, very rare to find a annex space or holiday cottage space that's done this nicely, and the nicest thing about it is it comes with the property and it's on its doorstep. So if you're looking to create a little source of extra income, this is absolutely perfect for you. Or perhaps if you've got some teenage sons or daughters that are looking for a bit of independent space, this is brilliant for them too. You can see here you've got a lovely big open lounge, and you've got the independent heating system in here as well. So this property really can be a lock up and go. We'll take a few moments to go upstairs now and take a look at this whacking great space that we've got up here. Of course, you'll see you've got the storage there, and I mean this space is absolutely fantastic. You can use it for whatever you'd like to. Now let's recap on a few things here. Of course, the property is located in the Herne Broomfield area in Spice's, and it's a really, really lovely location. You've got everything really on your doorstep here, with a little corner shop round the corner, and you've got one of the area's best primary schools here as well. Please do give us a call at the office on the usual number, and we'll be able to help you with any questions that you've got on this one. Thank you.